Folks, we're talking about how to change the batteries on an S&G Sargent and Greenleaf biometric keypad. This is a fabulous lock as far as its functionality is concerned. They don't get the highest marks for accessing the battery chamber and changing the batteries, but here it goes. The battery chamber is at the bottom of the lock housing. Pull this down and fully extend it. And the most important thing for you to understand is that you can access behind here to push the battery out so that you can grasp it and get at the tab that's required to replace. Put a brand new battery on, slide it back in its channel. Press this back up into the housing, and you're back in business. It's as simple as that.